The number one reason you should hire someone is your happiness. Hiring a key position to fulfill work that you do not need to do yourself will make your life easier. Open up your creative genius and give you mental space and time to work on growth areas of your business. Most importantly, it will provide you with a well-balanced life, more time for your family and personal life, and ultimately, it will expand your business in a positive way. When should you hire? Sooner than later. Hire before you need the position filled. Don't wait to be desperate to fill the position. This will lead to employee turnover, which could cost up to 33% of their year's salary to replace them. Why do you hire? Growth of your business. No business can properly grow without the right quality and quantity of people in place. Don't make the mistake of putting unnecessary pressure on current employees while you are desperate for a new hire. You want to give your current team an opportunity to grow into leadership positions as the company grows and you hire more people. So remember, the growth of your team personally equals growth of your company. If your current team isn't challenged to grow, they'll become bored, complacent, unhappy, and ultimately leave. Growth doesn't mean busier. It means new challenges while passing off older job duties to new hires. If your company isn't growing, what is it doing? It's shrinking. So nothing stays the same. It's expanding or contracting, and this goes for your team also. Who do you want to hire? A fantastic culture fit. Every company has a culture, whether you have defined it or not. You must define the culture and make it an intentional creation. If there was no intention with the culture and it just happened, it's most likely not ideal. So if it's not what you want, go back to the drawing board and clearly define what type of culture you want to create. That culture is defined by the people you hire and their values. You will want to hire someone who fulfills your newly defined corporate culture. What is culture? The spoken and unspoken values of the community that you have created. Trust, conflict, commitment, accountability, and results. These are Wealth Factory's spoken values. One unspoken value is health. So there's a joke in our office that you have to have 20-inch arms to get hired here. It's obviously a joke, but there is some truth to that statement. In new hires, I do look for a healthy lifestyle. That is really important to me, and I need that to be important to everyone on our team. It signifies that person is in control of their daily habits, doesn't lead a hectic life, has self-confidence, and prioritizes their health, which will lead to higher brain function and better overall health. This leads to more creativity and productivity at work. Perhaps this is a value you want to add into your corporate culture. What spoken and unspoken values do you have? Write in the comments section and share with us those spoken and unspoken values your company culture has, and learn from others' comments as well. We are all about community. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that this has served you and your team building. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Don't miss out on a single Wealth Factory tip, like this next one with proven ways to build your wealth.